Hello, it's Maggie Wigger. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for an LAA, or it's called Lindbergh Community Education class. So the first thing that I would do if I were you, first go ahead and go to Lindbergh School. Mine right up or comes up. I'm going to click there. So once you're at Lindbergh Schools, you can go to programs, go down. Okay, so as I was saying before, just go to programs, go down to community education. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you're going to be able to find some classes that are available. Sometimes I come over here to this side and I click on the different links. Here's gymnastics. Here's sports. Now, something to remember is that if you would like your child to take any classes through Lindbergh Community Ed Sports or any Lindbergh Community Ed, then you do have to register online. So the online registration is right here. This tells you how to register online, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So what I did is I go to home. That takes me back to the home. And then I'm kind of looking down for sports. And then I'm going to click right here. Click here to view available programs and to register online now. Once I click there, I'm going to be taken or directed to this website. Now, as you can see, my login name and my password is already filled out. If you do not have an account, you will need to create a new account here. If you have an account, you'll just go ahead and log in. I'm going to show you how, once you've already created an account, you can go ahead and click log in. So something to keep in mind, when you are creating an account, they might ask you for your child's school ID. I can help you with that. You just need to send me an email and I can make sure that you get your child's school ID. But if not, you can always look on SIS to get your child's ID. Here, you can scroll over to see the different camps or the different classes and then click here for community education. There's lots of different things available. This is enrichment. That means fun classes your child could take. There's gymnastics, sports, and this is summer enrichment. It means the kind of classes that your child can do in the summer. I'm going to go ahead and show you sports today. So it looks like they're still signing up for baseball, softball, and t-ball. So once you find the ones that you would like, you just click on the link. So once you're here, what you're going to do is you're going to pick your child's grades or your child's grade. So 1 through 6, it's the grade your child is in right now. There's t-ball through 4 through 6. And then there's this Ozzie Smith Sports Academy baseball, softball clinics, grades 3 through 8. So really just find the one that works for you. I'm going to go ahead and click on the machine pitch grades 1 through 6. And then here, I'm going to read through it, make sure the dates work. Here's the price. Then I'm going to click here to register the class. Okay, so I've already set up a login for myself, my daughter Emerson, and my daughter Ellison. So I would just click who I'm registering at this time. So if I'm registering Ellison, I would just click here. And then I'm going to have to fill out my address, the city, the state, the phone numbers, and I'll hit continue. And then I'll also have to be directed to a screen that will ask about payment. How am I going to pay? At this point, you can put in a debit card or a credit card. It'll ask you to fill out some more questions. It'll ask you to click here if you agree. So go ahead and click if you do agree. It'll ask if you want to be a coach or a volunteer coach. And then you'll go ahead and add it and go to your shopping cart. Okay, so you will need to add and go to your shopping cart, or If you want to add more classes, add and continue to shop. Once you add it to your cart, you'll need to come up here and click cart, and then you will need to proceed or keep going and pay for that class. So let's see if I can. So it doesn't look like I'm able to do it without adding my daughter to the class, but I think this is kind of gives you a basic understanding of how to kind of look at some different classes that come from Lindbergh schools, that are from the Lindbergh community education, and just kind of a way to sign your kids up for these classes. All right, please email me if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and have a great day.